Gonna try to ride the incline elevator. Oh, it's here. We'll take this one. All right, here we go. Oops, let's go up to 30. Oops, sorry.
Thank you. 26, 26.
Ow! Thank you.
26.
I might say butterflies, so don't
I'm freaking tired, dude. Son of a bitch. I'm going a little too fast.
Man, the shaking.
What's around?
He's recording the week cursing.
Sorry. I'm already sweating. Stop. Oh, stop moving.
I'm not moving. So damn, I didn't even move my foot.
It's an earthquake.
It is.
That's how it moves.
Earthquake.
You know why it moves like that?
No, I didn't want to know. I'm taking the stairs back.
It's a pyramid. It's a pyramid. It moves. It don't move straight up. It goes.
It goes at an angle.
Yeah, it goes at an angle.
No, why you tell
They're
me?
incline.
Thank you.
Dang.
Here's a view over the side, right across from our room. 23059, that's a long room number. RFID key locks. And this is the room. Obviously, interior corridors with an atrium view. As you can tell, that's the shape of the building. This is the bathroom. The bathroom is actually very spacious. You have a huge mirror with plenty of light for shaving. Sink. I like the color of the commode. It's a Gerber. The only problem with it, if you want to pee, the seat doesn't stay on. You have a walk-in shower, no tub. Let's see what kind of shower head this is. I'm gonna do it from this side so I don't get soaked. Let's see how the shower pressure is. Pressure's okay, but the head is not adjustable. That looks really cheap. Now let's go take a look at the rest of the room. One of the signature traits of the Luxor is it's in the pyramid. Over here you have a table with a safe in it. This is, I believe, 2 double beds. Over here you have a Samsung flat screen TV. You have drawer space. I'm going to tell you something that's missing from this room. There's no fridge. I've tried and tried to pry this open. There's no fridge in this room, so my Pepsis are going to be warm. And if this dates the hotel, you have an adjoining room and there's a place for your grip. Climate control unit, which sounds like it's really, really trying its best to keep this room cool and doing an okay job at it. But here is the famous view of the Luxor. Look at how it's sloped. The windows are sloped. And you look out here and you get a nice view of the sun, the Delano Hotel, and up here is the rest of the strip. I don't like the way they have this netting over the windows because you can barely see out it. And we're like 20 some floors up. But this is kind of neat though. I love the angle, that's cool, but this paint could be a little bit better, and I have a feeling, yeah, these windowsills are hard to keep clean. Look at that dust. See, there's dust in the windowsill. You have a nice chair here and a little table if you want to sit and do some work with your laptop. And now we are going to take a look at the beds after we try them out. Oh, and you have your telephone here. And I like the way they put the lighting above the headboard. Ooh, oh my gosh, is this like a pillow top? No, This is not a pillow top, and it feels like the mattress has a crater in the center of it. Actually, I don't know. It's pretty soft. Let me try this bed. This bed's a lot better. That bed right there has a crater, and look, you can kind of see it. It's kind of like the bed of the days in Princeton. Now let's see how clean this hotel is. First layer, looking good. Got 2 pillows. So far, so good. Well, I will have to say, this bed passes the cleanliness test. Definitely clean. Definitely clean. Very clean. I'm impressed. I guess if this bed is as clean as that one, everything else about this hotel, this clean bed will probably more than make up for. Clean. No stains, no hair, not even a hair. Now let's see what's under here. Well, I will have to say this is one of the cleaner hotels I've stayed in lately as far as the bed goes, but if you look over here, plenty of dust. But yeah, I do like this hotel. Even though this is a dated property, oh, you have an iron board. This is a neat hotel, and I must say, Ryan, if you're watching this video, and Jay, thank you so much for putting me up here. This is definitely, I've always wanted to stay in this hotel, and now I've gotten to experience it in all its quirks, from the diagonal elevators to this decor here. They're trying to make something modern out of something that's dated. So, but all in all, if you get this room during the week, you can get for under $50 a night, and that is an excellent value. So yeah, this is a look at a room in the Luxor in Las Vegas, where if you want clean beds, this is definitely a win. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.